Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about an interesting statement made by a former chief of Indian intelligence agency RAW. He explained why the United States has sometimes shown more support to Pakistan than India. According to him, the main reason is geography and strategic interest. Pakistan is located close to Afghanistan, Iran, China, and Central Asia. Because of this location, the United States has often considered Pakistan important for military operations and regional security. For many years, especially during the war in Afghanistan, the US needed Pakistan's road airspace and the military cooperation. This made Pakistan an important partner even when relations between the two countries were not perfect. The former RAW chief also said that US foreign policy is usually based on national interest, not on friendship alone. Countries support other nations when it helps achieve their own security, economic and political goals. At the same time, India has become a much stronger partner for the United States in recent years. The two countries now work closely in technology, trade, defense, and the Indo-Pacific regions. Today, India and the US joint military exercise share advanced technology and cooperation in areas such as cybersecurity and space. This shows that the relationship between the India and the United States has gone much stronger. Experts says that the US now tries to maintain relations between the both India and Pakistan, but for different reasons. India is seen as long-term strategic and economic partner, while Pakistan remains important because of its location and regional security issues. In the end, international politics is not only about friendship, it is about national interest. Every country, including the United States, India, and Pakistan, make discussion based on what is believed is best for its own future. What do you think about this issue? If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.